Let's light up your mind with a new word. Let's find out, right here on Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is eliminate. Can you say it out loud with me? Eliminate. Awesome, let's get into it. Let's spell this strong word together. Ready? E-L-I-M-I-N-A-T-E. That spells eliminate. Great work. Eliminate means to completely remove or get rid of something. Let's break that down together. It's when you take something away because it doesn't belong, or it's in the way. Like clearing clutter off your desk so you can focus better. Here are some words that mean the same as eliminate. Say them out loud with me. Remove. Erase. Abolish. Get rid of. Exclude. Extinguish. Cut out. Each one helps you understand the word even better. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the opposite of eliminate. These words show what it's not. Include. Add. Allow. Retain. Accept. Keep. Integrate. Think about the difference. These words are about keeping instead of removing. Let's hear it in action. Sophia eliminated distractions by putting her phone away during homework time. That's focus and smart thinking. Time for a quick recap. Eliminate means to completely remove or get rid of something. Synonyms: remove, erase, abolish, get rid of, exclude, extinguish, cut out. Antonyms: include, add, allow, retain, accept, keep, integrate. You've got the power to eliminate anything that gets in your way. Use this word to stay focused and strong every day. Today's challenge: make up a dance move for each letter in the word eliminate. Big words like eliminate help you think clearly and speak boldly. And you're doing a fantastic job growing your vocabulary. And that brings today's word to a close. But don't worry, another awesome word is coming your way tomorrow on Word Up with Sophia.